Hello rail fans, and welcome to French Fried Trains. Today, we're going to be building another passenger locomotive, and we're going to be building this New Jersey Transit F40PH-2CAT Locomotive. And this variant is called that because it has been modified with a Caterpillar separate head-end power generator. On the original F40PHs, the head-end power generator ran directly off the prime mover, and so the prime mover had to be at a constant state of 893 revolutions per minute to power the passenger cars, even if the train was stopped, which, as you can imagine, wasted fuel. So a lot of these rebuilds made their own separate head-end power units in them. And this one has a Caterpillar one, hence the 2CAT name. So this is what it looks like. Now let's get right into the build. So as usual, we'll start with the rear coupler. So take out a dark oak stair and attach that up on the second layer. Under it, we're going to put a sideways dark oak bed skate. Then on the next block forward on the bottom, we're going to put 5 wide of Blackstone brick stairs, all facing backwards here. On the next layer, a Blackstone brick block in the middle, then 2 upside down stairs on either side of it, facing backwards. Then come on bottom and open a birch bed skate above the rail, and a dark oak bed skate above that. Repeat the process on the other rail here. Then we'll come in front of this and do a 3-block tall T-shape of Blackstone brick block in the center. Put a torch on either side of the second layer, and on this outer edge we're going to put 3 acacia slabs like this, and 3 on this side. In front of this, do a 5 by 3 of Blackstone brick block, coming out to each side of the tracks here. Then we're going to come back here on top and do 5 upside down Blackstone brick stairs across here. Then a birch fence skate on the center, and on either side of it, 2 skeleton skulls on each side. Now come in front of this on bottom and put a fence skate on each rail of dark oak. In front of that, another wheel on each rail. In the middle, a deep slate tile top slab, then 5 wide of top slabs in front of it. Then we'll move down on bottom, and we're going to do 2 rows of 5 deep slate tile bottom slabs coming across down here. Then 2 on the top middle, and in front of this, 5 wide of top slabs up here. In front of that, another wheel on each rail, a top slab in the middle, and a fence skate on the front of each wheel. Then go through and put a hopper on the side of all 4 wheels. Then we're going to put 2 dark oak bend skates on the middle of the truck here, and 2 on this side. Then we'll crouch and put a wither skeleton skull on each hopper. And repeat on this side, a wither skeleton skull on each hopper over here. Then we're going to come up top with Blackstone brick block and do a line right down the middle so you're aligned with these front fence skates. On the side of it, a full row of dark oak fence skates here, and a full row on this side. Then across the middle of this, put 4 dark oak trapdoors here, 4 here. Then come up here, crouch, and we're going to put a single deep slate tile slab on top of all 4 of these hoppers here. Then come out and put a wither skeleton skull above each wheel, and then same thing on this side here. Then we're going to come in front of this with polished Blackstone slab. Now we need to come on the upper hitbox to the bottom and do a 3 by 3 of top slabs on this side only. Then up here, add 3 Blackstone brick blocks in the middle and 2 rows of 3 chiseled polished Blackstone here. On this side, a 2 by 2 of polished deep slate walls over here and 1 nether brick fence here. Then we're going to come in front of this on bottom and do the fuel tank. So take Blackstone brick block, and we're going to go 3 wide on the bottom middle and extend that out so that it's 9 blocks long. So a 3 by 9. Then on the side of it, 9 upside down Blackstone brick stairs facing outward, and 9 on this side here. Then come on top of this, and we're going to cover this whole thing 5 wide on the second layer with Blackstone brick block and bring it to the front of this fuel tank here. Then we'll do the front truck, so come on bottom in front of this and put a bend skate on each rail. In front of that, another wheel on each rail, then a deep slate tile top slab in the middle. In front of that, 5 wide of top slabs, in front of that, we're going to do 2 rows of 5 deep slate tile bottom slabs down here. Then 2 on the top middle, and in front of this, 5 wide of top slabs. In front of that, another wheel on each rail and a slab in the middle. Put a bend skate on the front of these 2 wheels, then go through and put a hopper on all 4 netherite wheels. Then we'll crouch and put a wither skeleton skull on the side of each hopper. And then repeat on this side, 1 on each hopper over here. Then we'll put 2 bend skates on the middle of the truck here, 2 on this side. Then 4 dark oak trapdoors on the middle here, 4 on this side. Then come up top with black stone brick block and do a line down the middle here. And come out 1 block past these front bend skates. Then on the side of it, we'll pull a row of bend skates up here, and a full row of bend skates on this side here. Then we'll come up here and crouch and put a single deep slate tile slab on top of all 4 of these hoppers. Then come out here and put a wither skeleton skull above each wheel, and then same thing on this side. Then come on top of the front and go 3 wide on the center on this 3rd layer with black stone brick block up here. Then come on bottom 1 block forward in front of this, and put 3 forward facing black stone brick stairs in front of it, and an upside down stair facing outward on either side. Above it, a black stone brick block in the center, and 2 upside down stairs on either side of that. On top, we're going to go 5 wide of upside down stone brick stairs facing forward up here. And then once you have that, we're going to come on the outer edge behind this and put 3 acacia slabs like this. And then 3 on this side. Then take a dark oak stair, come up front, and get 1 stacked up on this middle 2nd block for the coupler. Under it, a dark oak bend skate. Then open a birch bend skate above each rail and a dark oak above each of those. Then put a birch bend skate on the top middle and on each top corner a skeleton skull. Then we'll come up here and crouch on top of this front truck. Then we're going to put a sideways lightning rod here and here, and then same thing on this side. Then we'll repeat for the back truck, so come back here and crouch, and we'll get a sideways lightning rod here and here, then 1 here and 1 here. Then we're going to come on the side of the fuel tank near the front of it, skip 1 block back, do a skeleton skull and a mangrove sign. And then a mangrove button behind it. Repeat on this side, so here a skeleton skull, a sign, and then a button. Then we'll take out our black stone brick block again and come on this 3rd layer and start at one end and just go 3 wide on the top middle here and start bringing that back with our polished black stone brick block. Go ahead and bring that all the way down to the other end of the locomotive here. Then on this top outer edge, we're going to start in this corner with top slabs on the upper hip box and do a full line of smooth quartz slabs across the top all the way up to the front right here. Then repeat on this side, start in this top corner here, and same thing, another full line of smooth quartz slabs all the way across the top to the other end. And now the base is done, and we'll come back up front. We're going to come on top of the front and do 2 rows of 5 light gray concrete across here. On top, a black stone brick slab on each side, 3 black concrete in the middle. Then come behind it on each side and do a column of 2 light gray concrete. Then 5 black concrete across here. Then behind that, on the bottom outer edge, we're going to do 2 rows of 4 light gray concrete coming across here. And then same thing on this side. Then above that, we're going to put 4 black concrete on each side. Then across here, 2 cyan stained glass blocks, black concrete, 2 stained glass blocks. Behind it, put a black concrete on each side, and then a white stained glass pane on either side. Then back here, 2 cyan stained glass panes here and here. Then come down here, and we're going to change this slab to an acacia stair, 2 upside down stairs above it. Repeat on this side, change this one to an acacia stair, 2 upside down stairs above it, then put a door on the top of each side. Behind that, a column of 3 light gray concrete on either side, and a black concrete on the top corner of each side. Then on either side of this door, a column of 4 acacia fences here and 4 here. Then of course we'll repeat on this side. So 4 fences here, 4 here. Then come right here and put 3 birch fence gates here, and then 3 on this side here. Then we're going to come to the back, on top, on the 3rd block in the center, put a door, 2 light gray concrete on either side. Then 2 rows of 3 light gray concrete across the top. Then we're going to come down right here with acacia fences, and we're going to put a column of 4 coming up right here, and then 1 coming forward on top here. Then right here, do a column of 3, then 2 birch fences up here on either side, a chain in the middle. Then 3 acacia fences here, then up 4 here, and then forward 1 here. Then behind this front fence, a column of 4 light gray concrete here, and then 4 light gray on this side right here. Now come up front behind this door on the side, and we're going to do 2 rows of 3 light gray concrete here, and then up in this corner a 2x2. Repeat on this side, so 2 rows of 3, then a 2x2 up here. Then 2 orange concrete in a column behind it here, and 2 here. Repeat on this side. Then on bottom of this side only, 2 magenta shulker boxes, 2 magenta concrete here. Here, 2 concrete of magenta here and here. Then 2 blue concrete here, 2 here, and repeat over here. These shulker boxes represent an access door on this side. So right here, change this to an acacia stair and put 2 acacia fences for railings on either side of it. The door is only on this side. Then behind this, we're just going to fill it all the way in, 4 blocks tall with our light gray concrete, and just go ahead and bring that all the way down to the back till the entire side is all filled in here. Then we'll repeat on this side, so just fill this whole entire side in, 4 blocks tall with light gray concrete, and bring it all the way across till it meets up at the front. And come across here. Then we need to come aligned with this first back wheel, 1 block down from the top, and knock out these 4 blocks. And knock out the same 4 on the other side for the lettering. And we'll just go ahead and fill both of those with 4 black concrete each here. Then come on top of the back here, go 3 wide in the middle with black concrete. And we're just going to bring that all the way forward to fill our roof in. Just keep it coming 3 wide in the middle with our black concrete. And we're going to bring it all the way to the front. And we're going to come up till we're right on top of these stained glass blocks, 3 wide in the middle. Then come on this back corner, on this outer edge, and we're going to put a single outward facing black stone brick stair here, and 1 here. In front of that, we're going to do 7 deep slate tile stairs coming forward. And same thing on this side. Then, in front of that, we'll do 2 black stone brick stairs on either side. And then in front of that, we're going to do 3 deep slate tile stairs on either side. In front of that, we're going to go back to black stone brick stairs and do 4 on each side. Then in front of that, we will do 3 deep slate tile stairs on each side again. Then in front of that, back to black stone brick stairs, and we're going to bring that across the top all the way up to the front here. And then same thing on this side, come across here all the way up until you're above this front stained glass window here, like that. Then we're going to come on top of the back, align with this back deep slate tile stair, and do 3 connected plus shapes of black stone brick slabs like this. Knock out the center of all 3 and put in bedrock blocks, and then dead horn coral fans in all 3. Then move to the next deep slate tile stair section and 1 plus shape here, and then same thing with the center to a bedrock with a dead horn coral fan. Then come up right here, do 2 rows of 3 black stone brick slabs here, 1 on either side behind it, and change the middle block to a decorated pop. In front of it, do a 3x3 of dark oak trapdoors. Then we'll come up on top of the front and put a conduit on each corner, open a dark oak fence gate in the middle, and a sideways one behind it. Then we're going to put 2 levers on the left-hand side here, 2 trapdoors in the middle. Then cover the top of this nose in black carpet, and then come up top and just start covering anywhere we haven't built something 3 wide with black carpet here. And get down and around this band, around this band, between all these, and then down and around the back here. Now come out the back, and we're going to put a mangrove button on each top corner here. Then a glow item frame with a frog light in the middle here. Then under each button, we're going to do a birch sign with our number, which for this one is 4120. Same thing on this side. Hit both of the sides with a glow egg sack. Then we'll come up and detail the front. So up here, we're going to take glow item frames, and we're going to put 1 here and here, 1 on the top middle, put frog lights in them. Above each side one, put a mangrove button. Then up here above the window, put a dark oak sign here with 4120. And then same thing on this side. Hit them both with white dye and a glowing sack. Then we need to make a banner, so we're going to come into a loom with a light gray banner and black dye. And we're going to put a vertical on the left and the right, and then this diagonal. Then put a light gray border around it. And then we'll come and place these. So we're going to come and put 1 right here for the logo. Then we'll come to this side, put 1 right here for the logo. Like this. And then we'll also come up front and put 1 on the center of the nose under the headlight right here. Then come on the side of the cab under this window, and we're going to put a black stone button here and a bamboo sign under it. Repeat on this side, so a button here and a sign under it. Now come inside the cab with polished andesite blocks. And we're going to put 3 under the window, then behind it move down 1 and start filling the floor in 3 wide. And we're going to come back 1 block behind the door. Up here, we're going to put a netherite in the middle with 2 levers, then up here a glow item frame with a compass. Turn around and put a stair on either side. On the back middle, put 2 blast furnaces in a column, and then a door on each side. Then we'll come in this engine compartment, and we'll use polished andesite stairs to make a staircase coming down on each side here. In the middle, we'll do 2 columns of polished andesite up to the ceiling. Behind that, we will do 2 columns of decorated pots to the ceiling in the center. Then behind that, we're going to do 8 anvils down the middle. On top of the anvils, 8 netherite blocks. Then come through on the side and put a dark oak button on the side of all the netherite blocks here. And repeat on the other side. Then above this, we'll do another row of anvils on top. Then up here, we're going to do 4 polished deep slate walls. And then 4 anvils up here. Then we'll drop to the bottom behind this and put 2 lightning rods. Then in front of that, we're going to go to smooth stone blocks. And we're going to do 2 columns in the middle, all the way up to the top. Then behind that, a column of 3 and a brewing stand on top. Then we'll skip 1 block back here and do 2 columns of 3, 2 brewing stands on top. Then 1 here, an anvil, 2 deep slate tile walls, and come back by 1 on the top middle. And now the interior is done, and we can come back outside here. So there we have it, folks. We finally completed our New Jersey Transit F40PH-2CAT Locomotive. I hope everyone enjoyed the build. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And everyone have a great week. Stay safe out there, rail fans.